What's up, everybody? This is Tsavos Alliance, and this is my Xbox setup. I'm gonna show you guys today how it works to have two external memory hard drives set up with your Xbox One, which is convenient because it's pretty easy to fill up one memory external hard drive. It runs faster when you use an external hard drive because they use a 3.0 USB cord, which is faster than the SATA cord that is inside set up to your internal hard drive. So it is quicker, and I noticed the games definitely perform way better when you run them on an external. So I run a solid state Samsung Evo 850 for my USB slot 1. USB slot 2 is a Western Digital 4TB external hard drive, which is great because you can store a lot of games on 4TB. But the games I play full time with, I use this 500 gig solid state hard drive, which is great because holy fuck do the games load even faster when you run solid state. So I'm going to teach you guys everything you need to know about formatting to setting up your external hard drives. Alright, here we go.